In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF with the same font in Microsoft Word. If you have a PDF document that you need to edit, you can open it directly in Microsoft Word and make changes to the text. This can be useful when you need to correct information, update a document, or make small changes without recreating the entire file. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the File tab in the upper left corner of the window. From the menu, select Open, then choose Browse. Locate the PDF file that you want to edit on your computer. Select the PDF document and click Open. Microsoft Word will display a message explaining that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. The original PDF file will not be changed. Click OK to continue. Word will now convert the PDF and open its contents in an editable document. Depending on the size and formatting of the PDF, this may take a few moments. Once the document opens, review the text and formatting carefully. The converted document may look slightly different from the original PDF because Word has to recreate the text, images, spacing, and other elements. To edit the text, click inside the area you want to change. Select the existing text and replace it with your new information. If you want to keep the same font, first select the text that you want to edit. Then go to the Home tab and look at the Font section. The font name and size will show the formatting of the selected text. Use the same font name and font size when entering your replacement text. This helps the new text blend in with the surrounding content. You can also use the Format Painter if you need to copy formatting from existing text. Select text that already has the appearance you want. Choose Format Painter from the Home tab, and then apply that formatting to the text you are editing. Continue making the necessary changes throughout the document. Pay attention to the font, size, spacing, alignment, and other formatting so the edited sections remain consistent with the original document. After finishing your edits, go to the File tab and choose Save As. Select where you want to save the edited document. If you want to keep it as a Word document, choose Word Document in the File Type options. If you need the final version to remain a PDF, choose PDF as the file type when saving the document. Before finishing, review the entire document to make sure the changes look correct and the formatting has remained consistent. And that's how you can edit a PDF with the same font in Microsoft Word. By opening the PDF in Word, checking the existing font, and applying the matching formatting to your changes, you can make the edited text blend more naturally with the original document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,